federal judge has temporarily stopped the U.S. government from deporting Abrego Garcia again. The migrant whose initial wrongful deportation to El Salvador in March made him a symbol of President Donald Trump's hardline immigration policies. Abrego Garcia was set to be deported again, this time to Uganda, after he checked in at immigration offices in Baltimore on Monday. He embraced his wife before being detained. However, in a hearing conducted by telephone on Monday afternoon, Maryland-based U.S. District Judge Paula Sinis barred the government from removing him for now, as she planned to hold additional court proceedings on the administration's plan to deport Abrego. Abrego's lawyers asked Sinis to prevent deportation without the due process required under the U.S. Constitution. The judge voiced concern there were no assurances Abrego would not be imprisoned in Uganda or sent back to El Salvador. She also noted there was an absence of process around resolving Abrego's immigration claims to remain in the United States. Outside the ICE offices, Abrego spoke to supporters with the help of an interpreter.
When I was detained, I remembered memories with my family. Going to the park with them, going to the trampoline with my children.
Esos momentos me darán fuerzas y esperanza para seguir luchando.
Those moments will continue to give me hope to continue in this fight.
Back in March, Abrego was mistakenly sent to El Salvador, then brought back to the U.S. to face charges of transporting migrants illegally. Abrego pleaded not guilty, and his lawyers have accused the administration of vindictive persecution. He was finally released on bond on Friday. The administration had offered to deport Abrego to Costa Rica, a Spanish-speaking country in Central America like El Salvador, if he agreed to change his plea to guilty, but plans to deport him to Uganda if he does not. Abrego's lawyers say they have entered plea discussions with the government to possibly avoid deportation to Uganda. After being detained in Baltimore earlier in the day, Abrego was being held at an ICE detention center in Farmville, Virginia. Judge Sinis ordered the Trump administration to keep Abrego there at least overnight to preserve access to his attorneys.